What's up, guys? So we were actually coming over, we're on Manor Circle and we're meeting a property owner, and we actually have our construction crew, TRE Construction. It's actually called Longhorn Construction Development, powered by TRE, and they're renovating this entire fourplex. So I kind of want to walk you through what they have going on, show you what some of our projects look like. A and B are almost finished. I think they're just laying tile in A, and I actually helped this guy buy this property, fourplex. It was a broker that sent me this deal before it actually got listed, which is really nice, and we're managing it as well. So this is like the exact goal of the ecosystem. We helped them buy it, we're managing it, and we're renovating it. So come on in. As you can see, they're really tearing this down to the studs, and it's going to be nice. They're going to put it in tankless water heaters. The owner, Chris, is not afraid to spend money, so he wants to do it right and go all out, and we got the perfect crew to handle that. Got a little balcony, brand new fence, Sam and John and Buddy put in, which makes a big difference. This was just all one shared backyard, so now you got a little privacy for the different units. And as you can see, you know, all new flooring, all new paint coming in. They're totally renovating the kitchen. New windows are going in. These are going to be nice, real nice compared to what was there. And all of these units are 2 bedroom, 1 bath. So this is one of the bedrooms. You know, they're going to be tearing all this out. It's going to look really nice. We'll try to get some pictures on our social media for the after product. And yeah, second bedroom right here, and then you got the bathroom. So you can see they're totally redoing everything. We got a great crew. We'd love to get you guys some bids, construction. We feel very confident with full remodels. We can do the smaller stuff as well, but prefer to do the bigger jobs. And yeah, this is East Austin. This, you know, the owner took a little leap out here as far as the price that he paid, but believes that we can get really good rents. There's a apartment complex right back here, totally renovated. They're getting good rents. One right across the street, and we're really excited. So you can see like all of this right here, the landscaping, the rocks, the landscaping around the trees, all brand new. This was all kind of you know, it didn't look very nice. So this looks really, really good. And right now there are 2 units rented and 2 units vacant. So this one and the one down there. And then as that lease expires on C, or even if it doesn't expire, we'll talk to the tenants and see if they're open to us renovating it. And anytime we're going to renovate a unit as investors, and this owner as well, we're trying to get higher rents, because he's putting about $150,000 into this entire fourplex to get it ready to go. So we got a good team down there hustling, working hard. We're excited, so just wanted to show you guys this property.